The following is a commercial program paid for by David Lukas Financial. The opinions and views expressed belong to its sponsors and are not those of Nexstar Broadcasting, Inc., the station, or their affiliates or employees.
There are 3 retirement tax traps that could needlessly cost you tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars. Here to talk about it is David Lukas, a 17-year veteran of the financial services industry and host of the David Lukas Show, heard on radio stations throughout Little Rock for over 10 years. David, it's great to see you again. So tell us about these 3 retirement tax traps.
Yeah, Lauren, most people don't realize it, but taxes could be your biggest expense in retirement. But the good news is it really doesn't have to be this way. You have more control over how much taxes you pay in retirement, really, than any other time in your life. And if you take advantage of some defensive tax planning strategies before you retire, you could have a windfall of savings in retirement. But the key is you have to get in front of this right now.
So what's the first retirement tax trap?
Yeah, Lauren, the first tax trap is forgetting that the money you've saved in your IRA, your 401k, all those pensions and other tax-deferred retirement accounts, money's not all yours, right? You think about it, you still have to pay taxes when you withdraw this money when you retire. And you could be paying a lot more taxes on these accounts than you realize.
Okay, so that's number 1. What about the second?
Yep, so the second tax trap is accidentally triggering higher taxes on your Social Security benefits. Now, this is a big shock for some people. They see how much money they're going to receive in Social Security benefits. They're counting on the money for retirement, but then they learn they could be paying taxes on up to 85% of their benefits.
85%. Oh, those hidden secrets that come at you. Okay, and the third?
Yeah, the third tax trap, Lauren, is higher future taxes. A lot of people don't realize this or think about it, but taxes are lower than they've been in 40 years. And in my humble opinion, those days are over. Our government has been pumping trillions of dollars of economic stimulus to help Americans get back on their feet. But make no mistake about it, this money isn't free. Someone has to pay for it, and it's going to come in the form of higher taxes. That means higher taxes for me, higher taxes for you, and for those of your viewers that are watching today. Taxes must go up, and unfortunately, these taxes increases could hit just as millions of baby boomers are retiring.
So hopefully you have some good news for us, some advice, some help.
Yeah, we certainly do. And it all boils down, Lauren, to the difference between tax preparation versus tax planning. Most Americans are simply prepare and file their taxes with their accountant or their CPA. Now, maybe you can find a few deductions here or there to help you save a few bucks, but at this point, really what's done is done. If you really want to save a lot of money in taxes in retirement, that requires looking forwards, not backwards, and that is what is called tax planning. And the results could be significant. It could literally be tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars in savings.
So how can we take advantage of tax planning?
Yep. If you take advantage of this short window of opportunity that we have right now, you could save, as I said, tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars. And that's why we want to make a special offer just for your viewers today. You can learn how you could dramatically reduce or eliminate taxes in retirement with our free tax reduction analysis. And let me just tell you briefly how this works. We can get some basic information together, and then we'll determine the tax saving strategies that are best suited for your specific situation. And then what we'll do is we'll sit down with you and we'll share these strategies with you so you can see exactly how much money you could save. And let me assure you, these are not elaborate or complex strategies. In fact, many of these strategies have been around for decades and they're available to all Americans, but most people just don't know they exist. Now, there's no cost for this analysis, but we're only making this offer available to your viewers who call us today.
Okay, thank you, David. Learn how you could reduce or eliminate your taxes in retirement with that free retirement tax analysis from David Lukas Financial. If you've saved at least $250,000, call now to schedule your free retirement tax analysis. That phone number is on the screen. It's 501-222-9981. David, thank you so much. Is there anything else you want to tell our viewers today?
Thanks a lot, Lauren. I remind everybody, I've been on the air 11 years here in Central Arkansas. They can tune in every Saturday on News Radio 102.9 KR, and we also air Sundays and then as well as 101.1 The Answer and Faith Talk 99.5. Lots of opportunities to listen on the weekend. Thanks for having me on as always, Lauren.
Thank you, David. Take care.
All right. Have a great day.